how you can download GTA Vice City on Windows 11. Let's start it. First, let's open our Steam. For this, you need a Steam account, so you have to set up your Steam on your laptop or a PC. Here you can see the search bar, and we're going to search for Grand Theft Auto Vice City. The only one that shows here is this one, so we click on it. The game asks for our age, as this game is not appropriate for all ages, so we're going to enter our age and view the page. Once you are on the page, you just scroll down and you see this amount here. You have to prepare this amount beforehand, so after this you just add to cart. You can directly view your cart from here, but if you don't have this option available, you just scroll up and you can see the cart on the top right besides the wish list, so you click on the cart. And you have to make sure it's for your private account. You can also give this as a gift, but if you have a friend on a Steam, so if you're going to purchase it for yourself, you have to make sure it's on your account. And then you continue with the payment. This takes us to a new page on the payment method. As you can see, Steam here has provided us with a lot of options. You can do with PayPal, Visa card, MasterCard, American Express, Discover, JCB. For example, if you're gonna pay with PayPal, you just continue here and it takes you to another page where you can continue with the payment. But if you want to do it with, let's say, Visa card, if you go to the payment and choose the Visa card, here you have to enter all of your card details and billing information, and similarly just press continue. And this is how you can purchase the game. Thank you for watching.